In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a vault in Monopoly Go. If you're new to the game or just looking to maximize your rewards, you're in the right place. Opening vaults is a vital part of advancing in Monopoly Go because it grants you access to various bonuses like dice, cash, and even stickers. Let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process to efficiently open vaults and get the most out of your gameplay. First, let's understand that the key to opening vaults lies in using stars. Stars are accumulated by trading in duplicate stickers. So, as you progress in the game and collect stickers, watch for any duplicates you might have. You'll want to exchange these for stars through the vaults section of the game. This exchange is essential as it forms the backbone of opening vaults. Now, once you've collected sufficient stars, you can proceed to open vaults. The game offers different tiers of vaults depending on how many stars you've saved. The 250-star vault is the smallest and offers the least reward, while the 500-star vault provides a moderate reward. However, the 1000-star vault is highly recommended. Known as the Big Yellow Safe, it offers the best value in terms of rewards. If you opt for this vault, you're likely to benefit more compared to the smaller ones. Moreover, there's a special feature known as the Pink Vault. This vault also requires 1000 stars, but comes with a unique perk. It guarantees a new sticker. This feature is particularly useful when you're close to completing a sticker set. These new stickers can sometimes be the finishing touch needed to complete your album, and completing albums often results in handsome rewards. Strategically, the best approach is to save your stars and aim for the 1000-star vault options. Both the Big Yellow Safe and the Pink Vault are invaluable, especially when you plan your moves wisely. For instance, look out for what's called a sticker boom. During a sticker boom, the rewards you receive from sticker packs and vaults are multiplied, so timing your vault openings during this period can significantly amplify your gains. It's also crucial to exchange your stickers manually. Letting the game automatically select which duplicates to trade might cause you to lose valuable gold stickers. By selecting them manually, you can ensure that only the stickers you have in abundance are traded in, preserving your more precious ones. Lastly, exercise patience and strategy when thinking about the Pink Vault's opening. If you're nearing the completion of an album, say you only need a couple more stickers, opening a Pink Vault can be the turning point that helps you secure a gold sticker you're missing. This kind of strategic thought ensures that you're not squandering stars on lesser vaults when you could be amassing more for those high reward vaults. Remember, Monopoly Go is not just about luck. A dose of strategy can take you a long way. Enjoy your game, and happy vault unlocking!